Open your browser and go to the RavenDB website at ravendb.net. From the Getting Started drop-down menu, select Download. Choose the appropriate download for your macOS processor, Intel or M series, and save the file to your hard drive. The file will be downloaded in a .tar.gz format. Use Archive Utility or any other unarchiver app to extract it. After extraction, you'll have a RavenDB folder containing the application. Inside this folder, find the run.sh script used to run the RavenDB server. Running the run.sh script may trigger Gatekeeper, macOS's security feature, which will block the application. To bypass Gatekeeper for specific apps like RavenDB without compromising security, open Developer Tools settings in macOS. Add your preferred command line tool, Terminal or iTerm, to Developer Tools and enable it. Restart your computer if necessary for the changes to take effect. Run the run.sh script again and click OK to start the RavenDB server. Accept the terms of use. The RavenDB setup wizard will open in your default browser. Click Next to start creating new cluster. For simplicity, select the Unsecure option and click Next. Leave the default options for Node A and click the Finish button. Restart the server by clicking the Restart Server button. After a few seconds, the server will be available on its default localhost port 8080, allowing you to access the RavenDB dashboard.